Hello all, welcome back to your own channel, and in this video you will learn how to make a first aid box. And it is a must item to have in your home, and it will help you in your project work also. So do watch the full video, and if you like the video, do subscribe.
Good
Please.
morning, ma'am. Today I'm Shruti. I'm going to make the first aid box. So in first aid box, I have already pasted this circle, this page, and this even inside this one also. So now I'm going to work it out more good work in front of you. So now I'm going to paste a sheet here like this. So I have pasted it. Now nextly I'm going to paste another one at this side. So now I have even pasted this also. Very well. So now nextly this thing that comes like this, I have teared it out and I will paste page on it both sides, here also and here also. So now I have pasted this on the both sides. So now I'm going to paste it here like this. So now I'm going to paste this on this side. So I've pasted it on the both sides. So now on all the sides the white paper is there. And now I'm also having one plus to paste here. So I have pasted the plus too. So now all the sides of the first aid box is perfect. I have pasted this also in the first aid box. Now it's the time to keep the things of the first aid box in it. Dettol sanitizer, Dettol, cotton. This is one syrup. This is the antiseptic lotion. We can also say this. This is the tablet. Here are some tablets. These are the tapes of the first aid box that are different from other tapes. This is even the lotion, Zandu balm, and medicine, lotion. We can even keep the bandage and one more antiseptic lotion. So now here is my first aid box ready.